Hi guys, it's Rain, aka Nails by Rain, and you're watching Makartt's nail tutorial channel. It's been a little bit of a while since the last time that we've seen you, and we've heard you guys loud and clear. Many of you guys told us in our Makartt survey that you wanted to see more nail tutorial videos, and that's where I come in. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the video. All the girlies know that your outfit could be cute, but the nails are what ties it together. So today we're going to be going for a homecoming Barbie vibe, something like this. So let's get started. For this look, I decided to bring out some of my Makartt favorites, like this portable UV lamp, super cute, my favorite nail art brushes that are literally super fine for nail art, and this cuticle remover kit. Perfect for your everyday use. And don't even get me started on this Rhinestone Glue, literally a holy grail. Before anything, you have to make sure that your nail base is super clean. No dead skin, no oils. So I'm using Makartt's Nail Care Kit, which literally has everything you need for prepping. If you're new to DIY nails and don't want to spend too much, this is my go-to starter kit. Next, you're going to apply a thin layer of base coat and cure it, but don't get it on your skin. Trust me, this is the key to making your nails last longer. Then you're going to cure it all underneath your UV lamp, like look how cute and portable it is. Now it's color time. I'm using Makartt's gel polish in the white, just adding a white layer onto all of my nails. And it literally has such a perfect brush for this, it literally glides on so perfectly. It literally mixes like butter. Then I'm going to grab a sponge and lightly dabbing to create an ombre effect using the pink. Then doing the same thing in the middle of the nail to create an aura effect. You may have to go over this a few times. Now here's the fun part. Using my 15mm liner brush, I'm going to be doing some abstract designs on all of the nails. So on these ones, I'm doing a circle around the nail to create a pop effect. And for the pointer, creating another abstract design, super cute and trendy. I know you've seen the water drops everywhere, so here's how to do it. I dip a small brush into Makartt's Rhinestone Glue, then draw little droplets or long teardrop shapes and cure it. Then you'll get a crystal clear 3D effect. This glue is actually a game changer. It's Amazon's top seller, and I've seen so many pro artists use it on TikTok. It's literally so easy and it holds shape perfectly. And now you're going to seal everything in with Makartt's top coat. This one gives such a glassy shine. And don't skip this step. Finish off with some cuticle oil to keep your hands soft and hydrated. That's it. Simple, cute, and totally wearable. And that's all for this video. Our pink homecoming nails are finished. This is a very cute, chic, and playful set. Very beginner friendly, might I add. We'll be sharing more tutorials like this soon, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment some styles that you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much, and make sure to stay creative with Makartt.